Good morning, student. Today we talk about population chapter 1 volume 2 totally belongs to Indian context. Now in this chapter we talk about factors affecting distribution of population. So as we know, students, that the population of India is distributed unevenly. Now what is the reason? Uneven means if you look at the map of the India, then in northeastern part we found highly we can say less population area or less populated area. But if we look about the flat terrain, that means Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, so these are the highly populated area. So what is the reason? That in this area we found less population, but in this area we found high population area, we can say. So what is the reason? This uneven, actually there are many factors behind it. Okay, so first of all we talk about physical factors. Okay, then we talk about economic factors, then we talk about social and political factors, then we talk about historical factors. So first of all is physical factor. In physical factor, relief, climate and water, these are the 3 points that are very important in physical factor. Now first of all we talk about relief. High relief, uneven terrain, steep slope of land generally deter people from settling in such area. Due to terrain area, people are not interested to build their house here. On the other hand, if we talk about plain land, flat terrain always attract people because it is easier to build houses and develop means of transport in plain areas. Now my dear student, we can simply say that high relief means less populated area and flat terrain means those areas which attract people. And simple reason is settlement, transport and farming. Settlement means plain land easier for building house, and plain land obviously support transport and farming also. Now we talk about climate, where temperature and precipitation are major. These two factors, that mean temperature and precipitation, are major we can say climatic element that affect density of population. The severe climate act as a negative factor for habitation. Well, a congenial climate attracts people. So here I am giving you one example of desert area where extreme climatic condition, that means temperature varies. In daytime we found high temperature. On the other hand, on night time we found low temperature. So such type of climatic condition such type of condition deter people from settling in such areas. That is the reason that in desert area we always found low population or less people. On the other hand, in India, the distribution of rainfall is an important factor due to agricultural economy of the country. Now my dear student, water supply also important for human settlement and agriculture. It is also important physical factors. Water is essential for human settlements. It is used for various purposes, including domestic uses and irrigation. Rivers are important sources of water. Their valleys are generally rich in fertile soils also. Hence, most of the river valleys of India are densely populated because of agricultural facility near the river. Now my dear student, earlier I said that in the distribution of population in India, along with physical factor, we found social factor also. So this water supply point we can easily use in social factor also. For example, early man lived a nomadic life of hunter, gatherer, obtaining his food from his environment. So about 10,000 years ago, man learned to grow crops and took to settle life. The agricultural fields were often on or near the river banks, where arable land was easily available. Hence, such areas are settled by larger number of people even today. Now next is economic factor, where we found mineral, industry, transport. Now in economic factor, mineral is important factor, we can say. Rich deposits of minerals like coal, iron ore also attract human for settlement. Now people even move to inhospitable areas in search of such precious minerals. Parts of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, these regions are highly populated area due to this mineral source. So next is industry. Industries offer employment opportunities and attract people for even far off places. Lastly, historical factor. The political upheavals at the time of independence in 1947 and the partition of the country that followed further changed the distribution pattern of population. That's all for today. Thank you.